Here are 5 things patients and healthcare providers should know about generic drugs. 1. A generic drug is a copy of the brand name drug. Health Canada requires a generic to have the same amount of active drug as the product it's copying. 2. Brand name drugs cost more because brand name companies do research to show a drug is safe and effective. Because brand name companies do the work to bring a drug to market, they're given a period of patent protection where they're the only ones that can make the drug. After this period, a generic company can make a copy of the drug that meets the same Health Canada standards. They sell it for a lower price because they don't need to repeat the research to show that the drug is safe and effective. 3. Health Canada also requires that generic companies do research to prove their generic drug is bioequivalent to the brand it's copying. Bioequivalence means that a generic and brand name drug produce similar concentrations in the blood. On average, generic and brand name drugs produce blood concentrations that are within 5% of each other, a difference that is not clinically significant. 4. Even though generic drugs are bioequivalent, they may look different or have different non-medicinal ingredients. The differences should not affect patients unless someone has a reaction to a specific ingredient like a dye, which could happen with either the generic or brand name drug. There's no research to suggest that patients have more reactions to a generic than a brand name drug. Finally, since safety and effectiveness should be the same, patients should expect pharmacists to dispense generics whenever possible to save healthcare costs for everyone.